Hi, this is Tamara here from tamaradon.com, the EFT Training Centre, and we are in the midst of an amazing, yet another EFT training with beautiful, glorious weather and a fantastic group of people, and I am joined with one of them here who is joining us. This is the third day, we're on level 2. How are you finding it so far?
Loving it, absolutely loving it. In fact, I had EFT with yourselves 10 years ago. Decided to redo level 1 and level 2, and I'm probably going to come back for level 2 in November again, so love it.
Fantastic. And while we were sitting in the garden eating our lunch, you shared an amazing story that you had after the first time you did the training.
That's right,
with us.
yeah.
With your son, could you say a little bit more?
Yes, so 10 years ago I was in the house with my son. He was getting dressed to go to school. Unfortunately, there was a wasp in his trousers, and the wasp stung him multiple times. And we dealt with the sting, but after that he very soon developed a great fear, massive fear of putting any clothes on. And he basically refused to go to school because I couldn't get him to put any clothes on. So I'd just done EFT level 1, and I said, look, Mummy's done this training course. Could you let me try this on you, see how you go? And he said, yes, Mummy. So we did I think it was one round of tapping, and literally after that round, I said, how do you feel? Are you still scared? Can you put some clothes on? And he said, yes, Mummy, I'll put some clothes on.
That is amazing.
Yeah, fantastic.
I love hearing
absolutely
these
fantastic.
Results. So if you're watching and you've had an amazing result with EFT, I would love to hear it if you post it in the comments. And if you want to know more about how to do EFT, then do come to one of our trainings. Our next one in Kings Langley is in November, and in London in October. And or you can download our free EFT manual. Have a look on EFT-courses.org.uk or tamaradon.com. Bye.
Bye.